I tell you how to make a roasted sweet corn. It's very easy. In no time you can have a roasted sweet corn, and without fat, no butter, nothing. And in few minutes you will have corn, delicious corn. Okay, just in the pan, non-stick pan, you roast it, stir it with a spoon for a few minutes. Now you see it is turning a little bit brown and crispy, looking very beautiful. Really, I love roasted corn. I just make at home. My children also like this. So it is done. This is enough. This much is enough. So now I turn off the gas and let it cool a little bit. And now I am adding little bit chaat masala, little bit salt, and small half lemon I'm squeezing. So this is enough. And yeah, if you want red pepper, you can add that also. So, but I am not adding. I don't want red pepper. So this is enough. Now I am look how beautiful it is.